Hi there! Today we are going to make a nature drawing. Well, you might be wondering what this is. So, let's open our book and see it. Wow! We see a beautiful sunflower right in front of us. Are you excited to make this? Well then, let's follow the steps and start making a beautiful sunflower. At first, we are going to make a small circle and then continue by making a bigger circle outside it. After that, we will start by creating these beautiful petals next to one another. Try and keep the height of the petals same and make sure that the entire size of the petal is same as well. Once we are done with that, let's make the line for the stem. And then let's make its leaf. Once we are done with that, we are going to create a big circle which touches all the petals. And then we will start making these curved lines for the petals which are behind the bigger ones. Well, they need to touch the circle which is made right here. Now we will make another circle in the center and then continue making a smaller one inside. This looks beautiful. Let's give a bit of a detailing for the leaf now. And finally, let's erase this circle which is outside. Well, yes, we had made it lightly, so it was easier for us to erase it. Now we will take orange and yellow color. At first, let's take orange color for the bottom part of the petal. After that, continue by painting the top part with yellow color. Go very slow and try and blend both the colors together. Let's continue doing the same way here. We are going to take orange color first for the bottom part and then take yellow color for the top part. Blend both of them evenly so that it looks a beautiful petal. If you notice, this looks like a beautiful shading effect, right? Move your brush a little more where both the colors are meeting so that it gets smudged properly. And look at that, the first section of our flower looks beautiful. The next thing we do is only take yellow color and do the tips of our flower. Something like this. That's amazing. Now we will take green color in our palette. Let's add some water to it. Take a proper size of the brush. Here we have taken a 2 number. And then paint it nicely. We will paint the left side darker. Take some water in our paintbrush and then start smudging this. This looks amazing. After that, let's make the veins of this leaf properly. Yes, a little darker. And after that, we will take water in our paintbrush and then start smudging this entire thing. And see how beautiful our leaf looks. This looks very pretty. And now let's take brown color and do the center part of our flower. Make the outer section a little darker And the middle section as well. That's interesting. Once we are done with the entire drawing, we will start sketching it. Yes, let's use a black sketch pen and sketch it nicely. Make sure your drawing is dried up so that you can sketch properly. And now it's time for us to do the petals. Go very slow on top of these petals and complete the entire flower in a similar way. Look at that! Our sunflower looks brilliant!